Family.
Yeah,
Well, it's Stupid Duck here, so we're gonna be duck watching, no bird watching.
bird watching.
Eat this, rub it all over
Yeah,
your
it's not gonna be really just bird watching. We're gonna do some outdoor activities, like find a groundhog underneath here, or whatever's. If you actually see something in here, please let us know before we die. Yeah, that's just on a peaceful note. Let's go up.
Stuart the duck's
No,
just
we're
gonna
gonna-
lie there.
Okay, so here we watch the majestic crow. That's pretty ugly. We watch. She nibbles slowly, very slowly, and now quits because he realizes there's vitamins in that food. Well, anyway, here's a piece of bark. No birds. Here, a giant lump in the pool because it's kind of getting chilly. Watch as the crow suffers from an attack. What?
Don't go yet. Wait.
What?
Is the grass wet? No. Never mind.
So the grass is not wet, apparently. So, be on my way. I'm going to murder this person. Hello?
Is it wet?
Yes. The grass is wet, but I do it for the art of YouTube. Oh, gosh. Leakage pipe. If you actually walk on it, some mud patches. See if we can find a cat. Yes, I said cat. Uh-oh. Someone broke in. No one bothers to break in, I swear. So, Jason Voorhees comes through here. Don't worry, it's okay. No, it's not. We have to make this video shorter than the rest. So it's probably gonna get cut off. Chaz, get away!
Why?
We want birds to come. Oh, cardinal. Cardinal just flew around. It's the majestic crow. No one's gonna watch this. If you're watching this, thank you for watching a video titled Bird Watching. Here's our first victim. Okay. So, shh. You're scaring it away. Sorry, I have to put the camera in this duck's butt. There's the cardinal up ahead. I have one chance. Gotta make it count. So, bird. Duck! Savage. Come on, duck. I'm stupid. I'm stupid.
Idiot. The one branch we can't reach.
Are you sure?
Are you ready, kid?